Welcome everyone. Thank you for being here. Today I'm cooking some yummy and healthy sautéed mushrooms with spinach. Let's see what we need and how we're gonna make it. I'm using some cut up carrots, about 4 carrots, some cut up mushroom, some spinach, and also about 5 garlic cloves chopped, and 1 teaspoon each of black pepper, turmeric, cumin seeds, and some chili pieces, and also some onion cut up, about half of a big onion, and some lime, and some salt, and some oil. Keep a pan on medium heat and then add some oil. After about 30 seconds, add the turmeric, black pepper, chili pieces, and the whole cumin seed. Also add the chopped garlic and the sliced onions. Add some salt too. Mix everything together and then cook for about 1 minute. Then add the carrots. Mix everything together, cover with a lid, and cook for at least 2 minutes. Then open the lid and add the mushrooms and the spinach. Then mix everything together, then cook for at least another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add some lime. Mix everything together and switch off the stove. Then transfer to a serving dish. So this is my yummy and healthy sautéed mushrooms with spinach. Hope you enjoyed watching and hope you will also make it and enjoy. Until next time, have a great day. Bye.